The second thing that I recommend that you do would be to use the reward and consequence right away. You can specify which items get which number of points in Class Dojo, and I want to show you that one right now. So let's go back again to our students. We can click on any student, and we want to add something positive. So we edit the skills, and we actually want to give points to attendance, and we say daily attendance. Okay, since daily attendance during remote learning is of utmost importance to you, you actually give it more than points than completing the math work. So let's say you want to give it 5 points. Okay, then you save. Okay. Now, remember, each time you create something positive, also try to create something that needs work. Okay? So, the opposite of giving 5 points for attendance would actually be absent, and you might not want to take a lot from them. Okay? You might just want to take 1 point for being absent. Okay, why do that? Because what we're trying to do here is reinforce the positive behavior and give them a lot of time to really think about the negative behavior and alter it so that they can respond to you during remote learning. What you don't want when you are taking away so much points from them is that they end up with so many negative points that they don't even want to go attend to your remote classroom anymore, or go to your remote classroom and listen to you when you're doing remote teaching. Okay, so let's use that one right now. Let's go back to, did we say Charlize Theron? So Charlize Theron had been or has been attending school every day, but David needs to work on his attendance because he was absent. And then he gets that negative point for being absent. Okay? So I hope that is clear when I said, uh, okay, loading. I wish this loads faster so that we can get to discussing our ideas right away. So let me go back to, you as a teacher are actually in control as to which items get which number of points. Okay. The third thing that I recommend that you do would be to set the dates or number for counting and recognizing the earned points. I'm going to explain that further. For example, you celebrate points every week or bi-weekly and send letter homes monthly for all their class dojo points. Okay. This will actually require me to also show how it looks like on the student side, but for from the teacher's side, this is how it looks like. So let's take a look. Okay, Bradley Charles is the one with the most points. So after 2 weeks, you might want to send a letter to mom or a small note or a text message saying that, you know what, congratulations, Charlie's has complete attendance for the whole month of August. And that would really be so awesome. Okay, now let's move on. Let's go to what we can do next. All right, come on, load now. Load up, load up. Loading. So slow. Sorry about that. Guess it's just the way it works here. Okay, so what to do? Number 4, allow them to claim points and use them up so they can start over. So, for example, Charlie's already had 20 points and she wants to claim that for a prize of having no science classwork for the week. And then she uses all up her 20 points, and then at the beginning of the week she has 0 points. That's how they can actually claim their points. And then number 5, celebrate milestones or big points, like reward for the first 500 points, and you make a big deal of it. You make a certificate and then you post it in your class dojo,